the COVID-19 Student Support Network and exactly what that is and exactly what you're doing there.
Yeah, so like I mentioned last March, I was about to graduate from high school and things went online really quickly near the end of the term, and things, were really up in the air. Like, am I going to graduate from university on time? Will this affect my graduation? I felt really anxious and just kind of overwhelmed. And once I kind of saw how things were playing out with the pandemic, and that, online learning was the way of the immediate future, I knew that students would need supports, because a lot of post-secondary institutions, universities, colleges, just don't provide enough supports, or they're overwhelmed with the people that need support, and there's wait lists and lineups, and it's hard to get appointments. So that's when I kind of came up with this idea of creating some sort of support network for students that are dealing with pandemic learning. I had a chance to join the Mind Your Mind Young Experts program last summer, which is a great organization that is based out of Ontario that does youth mental health work. So they took us through the process of how to, plan a project. So project planning tips, graphic design, grants, website design, just all the different things that you need to be successful in, planning an initiative or a project. I got a chance to meet some, great mental health advocates across the country. I was the only Atlantic Canadian, which was really cool. So it was great. Yeah, it was great to represent the Maritimes. So from that, it kind of grew into this quite large project where, we have this website that has tons of resources depending on your needs. So Kids Help Phone, jack.org, Speakbox, there's lots of different resources depending on what you need. We try to be representative of different cultures. So there's some specific hotlines or helplines for Indigenous people. So we really try to, ensure that we, have that cultural representation for those who need that help. We also have a great section for volunteer opportunities for those who want to give back to their communities, wherever they are. And then our final one is our blogs, which have really blown up over the last several months. We have a great blogs team that's been putting out great content on different initiatives. I know we have one coming up on the National Reconciliation Day in a few weeks. We've had some great ones on Pride Month. There's been just lots of great content. And coming up, we're actually going to be relaunching our network, which is super exciting, with a partnership with Speakbox. They're an organization based out of Vancouver. Ethan Scott's the founder of the organization. And we're going to be having our online network as part of their new program feature, which is part of their app. So initially, they were just sort of connected with practitioners using their website to keep track of their clients' notes about their different people that they have. And then the clients could use the website, and external people could use it too to find resources and things like that. But this program feature will allow us to have drop-in peer support sessions, share resources, and in the future, hopefully have some sort of chat function so people can talk with one another. So that's kind of a really big, exciting thing we're hoping to launch sometime in October, which I'm really excited about, because the network has been the most important aspect that we've struggled with. And engaging people has been really a big struggle. A lot of our post-secondary institutions haven't been as supportive of us because we're kind of an outside resource. We're not within the university. So of course there's risks with that. So I'm hoping with, this partnership, that it'll help that. So I'm super excited about this partnership with them. They've been super great to work with. Aiden's an amazing mental health advocate and, mental health entrepreneur. And I have to shout out Frayme as well. They've been a really big supporter that have connected me with many people, including Aiden, and have, allowed me to be really successful with finding people to help with the network in terms of team members, and connecting with other change makers. It's been, they've been a really great help. So I always have to shout Frayme out because they've been an amazing partner as well.
Awesome. No, Frayme is an amazing organization. So that's great. If you want to hear more stories, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. To support more youth by youth led projects, visit us at youthspeak.ca, where you can donate and spread youth mental health awareness.
YouthSpeak Performance Charity. Speak, inspire, change.